and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Smart students of each class, please check your hand. All of you right now. Now don't move from your place. And side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Hands cover up. And side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Hands cover up, and side, hands up, clap your hands. And side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now everyone be ready for our national anthem. All of you sing together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Inside, hands cover up, inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now all of you be ready for our school song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Louder. Louder, hey, what happened to you? Louder. Together.
जुन तारा जस्तै आकाशका लहरहरू फाली चम्किन फुलहरू जस्तै धरतीका सुबास छरी गम्किन फुल्नु छ सुदर क्षितिज हिँडन साथी हिँडन ज्योति फिजाउँछ घामको पहिलो किरण अनुपम 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 चुनौती पौराखले जीवनलाई सुन्दर सृजन गरेर धरतीको मुहार फेर्नलाई बढ्नु छ हामीलाई अगाडि हटाई बाटोको दुवारो चढ्नु छ हामीलाई शिखर नगरिकन बियालो अनुपम 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 अनुपम. Hands cover up. Inside, hands up, inside, and stop. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now I'd like to welcome respected speakers to deliver their speech.
आदरणीय उपप्रधानाध्यापकज्यू गुरु आदरणीय सहप्रधानाध्यापकज्यू गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरा प्यारा साथीहरूमा मेरो हार्दिक नमस्कार। म विवेकी केसी कक्षा 9बाट आज एउटा कथा भन्न गइरहेकी छु। मेरो कथाको शीर्षक रहेको छ आफ्नो महत्त्व। एउटा जङ्गलमा एउटा काग थियो। उसलाई आफ्नो कालो रङदेखि घृणा थियो। सधैँ कालो नभएर बकुला जस्तै सेतो भएको भए कति राम्रो हुन्थ्यो होला भन्ने सोच्थ्यो। एक दिन ऊ बकुला भएको ठाउँ गयो र भन्यो, तिमी आफ्नो जिन्दगीदेखि कति खुसी छौ होला है, तिमी कति राम्रो छौ। बकुलाले भन्यो, म त्यति राम्रो छैन, तिमी पहिला सुगालाई गएर भेट, ऊ मभन्दा कति राम्रो छ। काग अर्को दिन सुगालाई गएर भेट्यो र भन्यो, सुगा तिमी कति राम्रो छौ होला, राम्रो छौ, तिमी कति खुसी छौ होला है। सुगाले भन्यो, म तिमीले सोचेको जस्तै राम्रो छैन, तिमी मयुरलाई गएर भेट अनि थाहा पाउँछौ। अर्को दिन काग मयुरलाई खोज्दै जङ्गलमा गयो। जङ्गलमा उसले मयुरलाई देखेन। त्यसपछि सहरतिर गयो र चिडियाखानामा भेटायो। उसले मयुरलाई भन्यो, तिमी त कति खुसी छौ होला है, तिमी सबैभन्दा राम्रो छौ। मयुरले भन्यो, म त्यति खुसी छैन, म कतै गए पनि मलाई मारेर मेरो पखेटा लिन्छन्। बरु तिमी सबैभन्दा भाग्यमानी छौ काग, स्वतन्त्र रूपमा आकाशमा उड्न सक्छौ। यस कथाबाट हामीले आफूलाई कसैसँग तुलना गर्नु हुँदैन र आफू जस्तो छौँ त्यसमै खुसी हुनुपर्छ भन्ने शिक्षा पाउन सक्छौँ। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar and good morning to respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friend. As you all know, it's Miss Neha Malathakuri from grade 8, standing here to share a short and sweet story about using garden as a metaphor. And now I'd like to start my story, using garden as a metaphor. Once upon a time, there was one girl. Her name was Ima. She was a very shy girl. She planted a small seed in her backyard every day. Every day after school, she planted seeds, watered the soil, and patiently waited for a sign of life. Over time, it grew into a beautiful garden. It used to attract butterflies and neighbors alike. Ima's small project not only beautified her surroundings but also connected with her neighbors. The moral of this story is patient and consistent effort yields remarkable results. Thank you. Have a good day.
Let your friends say.
Namaskar everyone. Good morning to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teacher, brother, sister, and my dear friends. It's me, Arisha Duradi from grade 7, standing in front of you to deliver a short and to say about my memorable day. Life is full of memories. Bad memories can be remembered for short period of time, but good memories can be remembered forever. My memorable day was 2079 Boisak 10. It was a time when I visited Pokhara with my family. That day I woke up at 6:30 morning. I did all my regular work and I was ready to go. After we reached in our destination, we booked our cab and we went to our hotel. We rested in our hotel for some time and we went to explore at Pokhara. We stayed there for 1 week. I had really good memories with my family. It was such a beautiful moment traveling with my family, and this was all about my memorable day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hands cover up, and side, hands up, and side, and stop. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now to provide some information, I would like to welcome our Vice Principal.
Thank you very much, Spejal. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. So children, They are very smart. They are bringing very smart stories. They are really moralful. Actually, we are not happy with our own belongings and we are fond of getting others. Sometimes I meet the people and just I ask, oh, your profession is very good. But actually, in which profession we are, we have to be happy. What we own, we have to be proud upon it. And I already said yesterday also, don't compare yourself with others. You are unique. You can do. See, many more famous personalities are there in the world who became famous because of their own work. They didn't copy from others. That's why there must be your own self-identity. No imitation. And today is the last day of booster exam. And from tomorrow, all the classes, they have to be prepared for final exam. The final exam will be held very soon. In grade 8, your BLE will start from 2nd of Chaitra. So today is 17th. You have hardly 15 days left. So preparation must be outstanding. If you deserve less than 35% marks, then you will get NG, non-graded. So such type of person will not be promoted to grade 9. So every second is important for you. Don't copy answer from your friends. You can get knowledge, ideas, but express yourself. And this time we are going to celebrate sports and ECA prize distribution in a grand manner. So grade 4 to grade 9, please prepare some dances and songs for that event. So that event will be held on 28th of Phalgun. So remember the date? On 20th. Sports medal distribution. An honor to those players. And certificates to the rank holders of extracurricular activities as well as prize distribution for the rank holders of academic session 2079. Such programs will be conducted. So it gives you extra energy to participate in different events. And from today onwards, be prepared for your final exam. So class 4 to 7 and 9. It will be held in 2nd week of Chaitra. Attention, cover up, inside, hands up, clap together in a rhythm. Those passive students, be active. Hands side, hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Now march past. Do it together. You must bang the ground together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go on. Not fast, not slow. In a medium way. Lift your legs a bit up. Then sound can be heard. Otherwise you will be just squatting. Do it together. Class and boys, be active. Keep some distance. Deepak will go a little bit back. Sujil also. Juniors are more smarter than seniors. Eh? Seniors, be active. Okay. Class 4, 5, 6. They will go from here. Afterwards, class 9 they will start from this. Okay? Okay, class for girls, move forward. Class 9. Just raise your hand and tell us.